45 French companies invested in India, almost 5 billion euros. 112 of these companies have R&D facilities. These are contributing to Make in India. Now, what can incoming the France company now expect from Goa? Better infrastructure. We have seen the highways under construction, smart city development of Belgium, the new airport of Mopa, which we are completing by September 2021. Ideal state of the blue economy, we were maritime states. 30-day clearance from IPB, the growing IT hub with good IT policy. An efficient startup and industrial policy, a quick response from the regulators, the government of Goa. My government is business friendly.
France is one of the main players in the aerospace and defense sector, and India is one of their priority market.
But within the frame of this partnership, we also work together to promote peaceful international relations in a multipolar world and address global issues such as climate change. Around 600 French companies and subsidiaries are established in India, employing more than 360,000 Indian people. They invest here and are heavily engaged in making in India. On the other side, around 150 Indian companies are now present in France and employ around 7,000 people.